Chris Helms here from the Adler Planetarium. I'm the collections manager. Today I want to show you a piece from our collection called an astrolabe. The astrolabe was the most sophisticated scientific instrument of the Middle Ages, and it was continually used for long after that to find the time and to find directions and to carry out various other calculations. This example was made in North Africa in 1750. The front of the instrument is a movable star map called the reet. Each pointer on the reet corresponds to the position of a specific star in the sky. The rotation of the reet replicates the apparent motion of the celestial sphere. The back of the astrolabe could be used for observing celestial objects and measuring their altitude above the horizon. For example, the way to find the time is to hold the astrolabe up to your eye, sight a star through the small sights here, and once you know its angle above the horizon, you flip it back around and use that information on the front reet to figure out what the time is. Check out the comments below to see where you can view this object and others like it, either online or here in the Adler, and be sure to follow us for more behind-the-scenes content.